Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use green screen in your video by using Inshot. Let's start. At first you have to open your Inshot app. Now tap on video. Here tap on new. Then select the video of yours. Now tap on the check mark. In here scroll like this and tap on PIP. Now select the video with green screen. After that, extend it by tapping on here. Then scroll like this and tap on cutout. Here tap on chroma key and then add a chroma key here. Customize it like this. Then tap on the check mark. Here adjust your video according to your need. You guys can see the result after adding the video with green screen. Now let's add another video. Tap on the plus icon and then tap on video. Here select the video that you want to work with. Then, like the previous way, add another green screen video. Extend it and then tap on the cutout, then chroma key, and in here put the chroma key on the green screen. Then customize the level according to your need. Now adjust the video. Let's watch the video. So this is how you guys can use green screen in your video by using Inshot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.